Okay, that's my shadow. There's Laddie over there. Okay, there's a castle up there. We'll just come down to the beach where you are. With the sun down, you can listen to the waves. As you can see, it's a nice sunny day. Beautiful. We've been beachcombing, looking for some sea glass. See where all these stones are? That's where we're going them. Let's see if I can zoom into where all of these stones are so you can see it. There you go. Right, now we'll come out, we'll come round. There's somebody going to do some fishing now. There's Laddie over there. The river. Saying hello. And then that's back to me with my shadow again. See, that's me. Anyway, cheerio for now. The Costa del Sol, Sunday morning, early. Bye bye.